I feel it coming down, she said, in my heart and in my head. Tell me why this has to end. Oh no.
So why does it feel right every time I let you in? Why does it feel like I can tell you everything? We can't fix it if we never face it. What if we find a way